Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add heading element in the Spectra page builder. So guys, here you can see I have created a new page. Then here you can see plus icon, just you can click here and after that heading element. So before adding this element you can add a new container. So I can use drag and drop functionality, and after that for now I can select the one column row, and then I want to add heading element. So just I can also use plus option, and then I can drag the heading here. Then after that, first of all I can replace the text. And then after that, on the right side here you can see these are the heading properties: general tab, style tab and advanced tab. So let's see how it works. And also here you can see on the top of the heading element, these are some default properties. For example, if you want to link this heading with any page or any section, just you can use this option. Then you can make it italic, then bold. And then you can also use AI to generate your headings. Then you can highlight your text. And then you can also use copy paste features that also comes with any other WordPress page builders. You can also use drag and drop functionalities to move it up and down. And then on the right side here you can see in the general property, so the first property is alignment options, and here you can see responsive devices. So by default it is selected for the desktop. You can switch to mobile device and tablet. Then scroll down, you can select the heading tag. Then you can also add a subheading. If you can enable from here, then here you can add your subheading. Then here you can see separator option. Scroll down, and after that here you can see these are the different styles. For example, I want to select the separator that is double. So now here you can see separator is added. To align this in the center, just we can go back and align in the center. After that, scroll down. You can use the dynamic content property. So to use this property you need to get the pro version of this page builder. Then go to style tab. You can change the color as well as you can use typography options. Then you can change separator color as well as you can add a link. Then you can add the background for your headings. Then scroll down. You can use spacing options that include padding and margin. For example, if you want to add some margin from the top, here you can see it is working fine. And then go in the advanced tab. You can apply some animations, but here you can see I'm using free version, so that's good. But to use more options you need to get the professional version of this page builder. Then scroll down. Here you can see you can apply some responsive conditions as well as display conditions. So in this way you can easily add headings in the Spectra page builders, and after that click on publish button.